Excellence for me means delivering the best outcome that we can get when we work together as a team, be it on a project, be it on a design. And when you take everyone along for the journey, the excellence comes through the journey, not just the final output.
I think for me, excellence and what it is hasn't changed really. It's always been high quality design, efficient delivery, building really strong relationships and having great communication. I think what has changed is how we achieve it. There is new technology, new ways of working, a very differently working industry in a much more dynamic way. And I think what we need to be working on is just adapting to it.
Excellence in engineering now also means being able to navigate complexity faster, collaborate across disciplines, and to leverage the vast amount of knowledge available through the internet, online communities, and industry networks. The problems we face are far more multifaceted: sustainability, digitalization, climate resistance, but they can also be solved more quickly and creatively because information sharing is so much easier. So to me, excellence today builds on the same timeless principles, but with the modern age. It's about being adaptive, collaborative, and purpose-driven while still holding true to the core of what makes a great engineer.
The majority of projects that we do in Cundall are multidisciplinary, so it's quite important to have that seamless integration of global disciplines. That's where your learning occurs, and that's where you can find solutions that are out of the box. And also, you essentially, it's like using not only your 10, 20, 30, 50 years experience, it's just like using 100 years of experience and more across the globe.
Our team learn and commit to continuous improvement by taking on challenges, embracing feedback from our clients and collaborators, by knowledge sharing and learning from others to stay ahead of industry trends.
So continuous improvement for me is about being curious and constantly learning and growing, and being open to learn from the environment, from the clients, projects, colleagues, and really having that mentality of trying to do things better each time, and that's really what that means to me.
Where do I see Cundall in 50 years? I think still evolving. I never want us to be called old school. I want us to be an engineering-led consultancy that is famous for sustainability, innovation, but I think most of all, a culture that retains great people for the longer term.
Cundall will hopefully continue to have that curiosity, which I really admire about the people, and making sure that we come up with innovative solutions and ensuring that sustainability is embedded in every decision that we take.
My proudest professional moment isn't actually about delivering the most complex or award-winning project. It was a project where on paper we probably shouldn't have been able to pull it off. We were short on resources, timelines were tight, and it required real collaboration across multiple disciplines. What made me proud was seeing the team come together. Engineers, designers, project managers, everyone stepping up, supporting one another, and finding solutions instead of excuses. It wasn't easy, but it was a genuine teamwork in action. And the best part of it all? The client recognized that effort, not just the final product, but the way we worked together, the dedication, the collaboration, the resilience. That moment reminded me that excellence isn't just about what we deliver, it's about how we deliver it together.
Cundall is special because of the people, because of the team, because of what we aim to achieve, and having ambitions that exceed just the standard project output.